As the world moves into the middle of the decade, the summer of 2024 is shaping up to be one of notable climatic shifts and extremes. This year, the transition from El Niño to La Niña is expected to have a profound impact on weather patterns across various regions, promising a season that could be as unpredictable as it is extreme. In the United States, the anticipation is high for a hotter-than-usual summer. The eastern regions, including New England and the Mid-Atlantic, are likely to experience frequent thunderstorms and a good deal of rainfall. This contrast is stark against the backdrop of the Southwest, where conditions are expected to remain dry and scorchingly hot, exacerbating ongoing drought conditions. The Northeast might find itself under incessant rains, mirroring patterns observed in previous years. This excessive moisture contrasts sharply with the western states beyond the Mississippi River, where a drier season could prevail, continuing the trend of minimal rainfall and increasing the risk of wildfires, especially in areas like the Pacific Northwest. Europe is set to face a warmer summer, with southern and central parts likely to experience higher temperatures due to prevailing high-pressure systems. In contrast, northern Europe may see a mix of milder temperatures and increased precipitation, offering some respite from the heat. The peculiar rapid transition from an El Niño to a La Niña phase this year adds an element of unpredictability to the weather forecasts. Such transitions have historically led to significant weather events, and while specific outcomes are hard to pin down, the likelihood of experiencing unusual weather phenomena is high. The shift in ocean temperature patterns not only affects the temperatures and precipitation but also has implications for tropical storm activity. The Atlantic hurricane season, running from June to November, may see altered patterns, with potential impacts on storm frequency and intensity. In the broader context, the predicted weather for the summer of 2024 is a reflection of the dynamic and increasingly volatile nature of global climate patterns. Communities worldwide will need to prepare for a range of outcomes, from heatwaves and droughts to flooding and storms. Adapting to these conditions will require attention to updated weather forecasts and a proactive approach to disaster preparedness. As summer approaches, understanding these trends and preparing accordingly will be essential for minimizing the adverse effects of what promises to be an extraordinary weather season. As we delve deeper into these forecasts, it's important to consider the local nuances that could dictate the specific weather outcomes for different regions.